Good morning. Lots going on with the weather this week. And yes, it is going to turn a lot colder and more wintry come the end of the week. Out there, though, this morning, well, it's pretty mild. It's fairly cloudy and most of us are having a dry morning. I say most, there's always one or two exceptions, and it's northern and western parts of Scotland where we've got a few light showers around. Further east, we've got some holes in the clouds, so waking up to a bit of a chill first thing this morning, but also there'll be some sunny spells. Predominantly cloudy for England, Wales and Northern Ireland, but again here there are one or two breaks, but there's also one or two mist and fog patches across parts of the south. We're not going to see big changes through the day. Again, most places staying cloudy, but we'll see some breaks in the cloud. A hint or two of sunshine here and there. The breeze will be picking up across Scotland, and if anything, the rain will be pepping up across the Western Isles and the Highlands. But for most, dry and cloudy and reasonably mild, sums it up, 8 to 10 degrees Celsius. Now, through the course of this evening, again, not a great deal of change. We'll keep a lot of cloud around. No real issues for this evening's rush hour, but that rain, if anything, likely to get a little heavier and more persistent across the far northwest of Scotland. If I just step out of the way, however, you'll notice there is a band of rain slowly approaching Ireland. Now, that is a weather front, and that is the first sign of a change. It's a pretty active weather front that will swing across the UK during the course of Tuesday night into Wednesday and then into Thursday. If we run through the sequence, notice how the isobars squeeze together. That's going to mean the winds pick up, and then these weather fronts bring bands of rain across the UK, and it stays very blustery into Thursday. As well as being windy, it'll be mild initially, but then through Thursday and Friday, cold air comes streaming down from the Arctic, along with bitterly cold northerly winds. Now, they could cause some problems, especially around the coast in the east, and they'll certainly bring a real chill to proceedings and a return to frost and potentially some snow. So a spell of wet and windy weather through the middle of the week, and then that wintry weather returns at the end of the week with frost and even, yes, some snow. Too early to say exactly where and when we will see the snow and how much there'll be, but it's a developing situation. We'll be keeping you updated. Stay up to date yourself by keeping abreast of the Met Office website. You can always download our app, and there's always more on our YouTube channels.